How do you sort data in Tableau? In this example, I'm showing a bar chart of sales by state and category. I have state ordered by alphabetic and category sorted by sum of sales. Let's take a look at how to do this in Tableau. If I click the drop down on state, I can navigate to sort and choose alphabetic. I also have the options of data source order, field, manual, or nested. I'm going to leave it on alphabetic, ascending, and clear that out. On category, navigate to sort as well. This time I'm sorting by a field. So I'm sorting by sum of sales in a descending order. Of course, I have the option to sum by any other field, and I can sort by average, median, count, etc. And I can change to ascending. Hope this helps.